In 2014, we started filming the Devil's Blacksmith documentary with Walfried Huber and Zoltán Takács at the Austrian Federal Monuments Office in Mauerbach, Austria, with the support of the Austrian Locksmiths and Blacksmiths Guild at the Monuments Office. Unfortunately, this work is not ready yet. Our dream is to finish our movie with local scenes in Paris, France, including locations at the Notre Dame and the Musée de Cluny. We need your help to make this happen. Be part of the Devil's Blacksmith documentary. This film definitely is a mission. That's why we're so excited about this film. Unfortunately, this work is not ready yet. Our dream is to finish our movie with local scenes in Paris, France, including locations at the Notre Dame and the Musée de Cluny, and to translate the final version of the movie to English. Your donation will ensure that we can continue this important work. With your help, we can preserve and conserve this unique heritage. We really appreciate your time and support. Check out our perks. Really interesting, original stuff you definitely won't find anywhere else. These limited edition items are available for a short time only, so if you're interested, get them right now. Can we do this without you? No. We need you. We need the fans of this topic. Help us make this film. Together, we can make it happen. Thanks for watching.